Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel for another video. For those of you who are new, my name is Tamara. Hi, thank you guys so much for stopping by. And while you're here, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. So what you guys see here is I took my comb and I was all ready to give myself a really nice side part, and then all of a sudden I just wasn't feeling it. So not going with the side part for this video. We're just gonna go with a sleek straight back look. Now I like to do my hair in sections because I feel like it's so much easier to smooth the hair down, especially if you have curly hair or natural hair. If it's not straight, it's just so much easier to smooth it down if you section it. Then I'm going to take my spray bottle, which I know looks really weird, but it's just water mixed with some olive oil and castor oil for extra hydration because it's been super cold and my hair has been dry lately. And I'm going to dampen the roots of my hair. Now, I want the roots of my hair dampened because it's going to be a lot easier for the gel that I'm going to use, which I'm going to use the Wetline Extreme Gel. It's going to be a lot easier to smooth the gel on the roots of my hair. And that's what I want, to go ahead and put that on the roots, smooth that through, and then brush it through just to get my hair as sleek and smooth as possible. And if any point you're working with a section and you feel like it's too large, just don't be afraid to go ahead and split that into another section. I felt like the back was like a little too large, so I just split that into another section. So now that I've gone ahead and split that back section into another little subsection, I'm going to apply gel to the top of my roots on that section. And then also I'm gonna lift my hair up and apply it to my edges. So the back edges of my hair, I'm gonna apply my gel, smooth that through with a soft bristle brush, and tie it off into a ponytail to get it out of my way so I can repeat the process on the next section. So now that the rest of the back section is complete, I am just going to smooth it all together using that soft bristle brush and add a hair tie to my hair just to keep it nice and smooth while I continue the rest of my hair. So after the back of my hair is complete, I'm now just going to go ahead and work on the mid section of my hair. Now, I think I just parted like both sides, and I parted the mid section of the back of my hair. Now here, I'm literally just going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to take that into smaller sections, wet it with my spray bottle. That looks gross, but I promise it's just olive oil, castor oil, and water, and spray the roots of my hair. Now, I do not want the roots of my hair to be soaking wet. You just want it damp enough so that the gel spreads evenly on your roots. And just like with the back sections, once I have completed a section, I'm just going to take my soft bristle brush and smooth down the roots of my hair. So now I'm just going to take that back section and that mid section and just smooth it all together. I am just smoothing down the roots of my hair. I do not want to disturb the rest of the curl pattern at the ends of my hair. So now we're just going to continue on with the front section. We're doing the exact same thing, only this time now we're dealing with our edges. So we're doing the same thing as we did with our roots. Gonna spray it down a bit with some water and add gel. Actually, I think I'm gonna end up splitting this section as well. You guys will see it, yep, right here. It was a little bit too big for me, so I split that section, wet the roots of my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some gel and smooth that down. So I hope you guys can see, I'm trying to show you as best as I can, but you really just want to get those roots nice and smooth. It's gonna make for a really nice sleek ponytail. Okay, you guys, look at how smooth this looks already. Now I'm ready to combine all my hair together. So I'm just gonna take that hair tie out and I'm gonna go ahead and just smooth all of my hair back into a sleek, curly ponytail. So now that I've gotten the ponytail in, I'm just going to go ahead and sort of fluff out my curls in the back. I've gotten my hair nice and sleek. And now I'm going to work on my edges. You guys, I am not the best at doing my edges. I try to make them as cute as possible, but bear with me here. So I'm just gonna I like to personally add gel first just to get my hair like nice and damp around my hairline. I never really want to brush my hair or manipulate my hair when it is dry. I just don't think that's good. And I'm just gonna get my edge brush here and go in and just kind of swoop my edges as best I can. They don't come out perfectly. They don't come out looking like identical twins, but they are in the sister family. Maybe they're stepsisters, maybe they're half sisters, but they come out looking cute nonetheless. And there you have it. There is my sleek, low, curly ponytail. I clearly think it is very, very cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.